Hello everyone, I am Rejon. In this video, I am going to show you how to prevent heat stroke in birds. Sometimes we face sudden death of our healthy birds without any symptoms during the summer season. This happens when the temperatures are too high and they die due to heat stroke. Because birds do not sweat like humans. That is why they cannot release the heat or maintain their body temperature like humans. And if the temperature is too high, they cannot bear it. So you have to control their body temperature. Now I am going to show you how to prevent heat stroke in birds. You can see that here are some pieces of lemon. Now you have to take one piece of medium-sized lemon and 2 liters of water. For every 2 liters of water, 1 lemon should be okay. Now I am going to cut this lemon and add this lemon juice into the water. Mix it well. Now I am going to serve it to my birds. You have to serve it at least 2 days every week to prevent heat stroke. I will make 2 other parts about how to prevent heat stroke in birds, so stay tuned. I think this video will help you all. That would be all for today.